In the first video, I explained what Avios are and how they work. In the second video, I explained the 4 easiest ways to earn them. And in this third video, I'm probably going to be answering the most important question of all. And that is, what are Avios actually good for? Because Avios aren't automatically good value. The value comes with how you actually redeem them. And the most important thing to understand is this: Avios are not cash. They are a tool to reduce the cost of travel, and in many cases reduce the cost of travel significantly, but only of course when they're used in the right way. And this is something that travel experts repeatedly stress. The best use of Avios isn't necessarily the one that looks clever on paper. It's the one that gives you a real saving on a real trip that you actually want to take. Which leads me onto redemption strategy number 1. And the most straightforward way to use Avios, and the best way to use Avios, is for reward flights. A reward flight means that you use Avios to pay for the flight itself. However, there will still be a cash element, and that cash element is taxes and fees. So Avios don't make the flight completely free. You will always have to pay the cash for the taxes and the fees. But, and this is the key, Avios can still dramatically reduce the cost of a trip overall if you choose the right redemption. And for beginners, the easiest place to start is in short-haul economy, especially within Europe, fundamentally because they're easy to book, they're easy to understand, and usually don't involve huge taxes. And you're not trying to win Avios here, by the way. You're just simply using them to make a normal trip cheaper. As I mentioned, one that you would usually want to take anyway. So just let me show you very quickly how to book a reward flight, because it is very, very easy. Okay, so logged into your BA Club account, on the top left under the book tab, instead of choosing book a flight, you will choose book a flight with Avios. It will then, for whatever reason, ask you to log in again to your British Airways Club account. Don't know why this is. It's a quirk of BAIT, as is usually the case. Click continue. This will then load to this screen under book with Avios. So quite simply, just enter your origin airport and then type in the destination that you want to go, followed by the date of departure and then subsequently the date of return. Choose your number of passengers and then click Get Flights. This part normally takes a little bit of a while. It'll then bring you to this screen here, and across the top you'll be able to see all of the dates, and you'll also be able to see what's available and what's not available. Click on the date that you want. In this instance we've chosen Rome. As you scroll down, obviously Rome is a high frequency route for BA, and there are multiple flights during this day, which also means that there'll be plenty of Avios availability as well. And then simply all you need to do is click on the flight that you want and click what class you want, in this case economy. We'll then scroll down for the return date, and we will do exactly the same, choosing what flight, clicking OK. And from that it will show you your outbound, it will show you your inbound, and also underneath it will give you the total price or the total number of Avios for the redemption, plus the amount that you need to pay in taxes, fees and carrier charges. If you so wish, you can choose to offset the amount of Avios with some cash value as well, and I talk about this in the first video in the series, so I'm not going to go into detail in this one. And as you can see at the bottom there, it just gives you a summary of what the Avios per person is, the price, and again, summary of your flights, all of the conditions, agree to the terms and conditions, and continue. And from then on, it is just exactly the same as booking a standard flight, as if you were paying cash. Okay, so redemption strategy number 2, and another popular way to use Avios, is for upgrading a cash ticket. Now, instead of booking a reward flight from scratch, you buy a normal ticket and then you use Avios to move up a cabin. So for beginners, the most realistic upgrades tend to be economy to premium economy, or premium economy to business class on long haul routes, or simply if you're flying short haul European routes, You simply upgrade from economy to business. And this is often where Avios can feel the most rewarding because you're actually improving the quality of a trip that you're already taking. And again, this often lines up with advice that you will see on websites like Head for Points. Avios can deliver excellent value when they enhance an existing journey rather than trying to replace the entire cost of travel. You don't need to understand fare classes or complex rules at this stage. Just know that upgrades can be a very satisfying use of Avios. I'll show you very quickly again where you can do this on an existing booking. So on your BA Club account homepage, click Manage Your Trip on whatever upcoming trip you want to try and upgrade with Avios. It will then load through to this screen as follows. And if upgrade with Avios is available, it will be displayed here. Unfortunately, this is one of my upcoming trips. It's not available at this moment in time. I can only upgrade with cash, but this is where it will sit. You'll also hear a lot about something called a companion voucher. And put simply, this allows two people to fly for the Avios cost of one on a reward flight. And you earn this through the paid for American Express British Airways Premium Plus card, of which I'll leave a link in the description for the video that I've done on that one. And this can be extremely valuable, but it's not automatically right for everyone, of course. And companion vouchers tend to work best if you can be flexible with both dates and destination, and also if you're happy booking far in advance. And in recent times, the option has been added to reduce the Avios for a reward flight by 50% if you are traveling solo, so the benefit can be maximised for a single person as well. And I will re-emphasise that the best use of Avios is the one that fits your life personally, not somebody else's spreadsheet. And if a companion voucher suits how you travel, they can honestly be one of the best things on the market, in my honest opinion. And if not, there's no need to force it. There are other Avios earning credit cards on the market that come without a cost. Now, this is a really important section. Just because you can use Avios for something doesn't necessarily mean that you should. And redemptions that are often poor value include hotels booked with Avios, pre-booking seats with Avios, and part pay with Avios options in some cases. Now, this is where Avios can get a bit misunderstood. A pre-booked seat here costs £35, but using Avios costs 7,225 Avios. If you value Avios at around 1p each, that's effectively £72 worth of points to avoid paying £35 in cash, which works out at just 0.48 pence per Avios, and that is poor value. And this is exactly the kind of situation where I personally wouldn't use Avios. As I said, Avios are best used to unlock flights that you actually want, especially when cash prices are high, not to replace small add-ons where you would just be burning through points for convenience. Essentially, anything outside booking flights with Avios generally delivers very poor value, even more so than poor value reward flights. But as I said earlier, if Avios can genuinely get you to a destination that you want to go with a significant cash saving that suits your lifestyle, then they are absolutely doing what they need to do. And there is a reason why Avios used to be called Air Miles in the first place. And a good rule of thumb is this: if Avios barely reduces the cash price of something, it's probably not a good redemption in the first place. Avios absolutely work best when they're meaningfully used to reduce the cost of flights or upgrades. And if you're new to Avios, you don't need to maximize everything. A simple beginner strategy may be one reward flight a year or an upgrade that makes one trip far more comfortable. And as long as Avios are saving you money and noticeably improving your travel experience, they're absolutely doing their job. And the final time I am going to say this: the best redemption is one that works for you, not one that looks impressive online. And that is it. That brings this beginner Avios series to a close. You now know what Avios are and how they work, the 4 easiest ways to earn them, and also the most effective ways to redeem them. And if you have enjoyed this video, do please drop a like, and do also consider subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't already caught parts 1 and 2, part 1 is here. and part 2 is here. Other than that, all that left to be said is thank you very much for watching, very much appreciated, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.